Hello and welcome to Let's Play Solitaire. Gonna try to have a little fun today. If you're new to this, there is a playlist on this channel titled Let's Play Solitaire with more games, just like today's. There's also a playlist with tips called Solitaire Tips. Pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and play. I like to go for the columns first. And it looks like there's only one move there. I think we're going to move the 5. We'll have a spot for a king. We're going to want a red king if there is one. Going to save this as insurance. It's good to have this because that opens up the number of moves we can make. There's an ace we can play later and 6 as well, so that's good. So, not the best start, but not the worst start. I think the first card was a 4, right? There's a 4 of spades right here. So what that means is that playing this 4 of clubs is not a good idea because we're giving up our insurance card. So we're not going to play that there. We got a jack, a red jack that we like to be able to get to. That'll be able to open up this column here, which is something we're going to need to figure out how to do at some point. So just scrolling through, there is a red king, so that's good. We need to move one more card to get to it, though. So let's see what we can do here. Nothing. It looks like, yeah, we're going to have to use that insurance card. So we're going to play this right here. And we'll still have this ace of diamonds as our insurance card. We can use the 6 as well. We could use the 3. We're going to save that, I think. Yeah, I'm going to save that so I have multiple insurance cards. That way I can play through all of these cards. Yeah, that's going to be the goal here. Actually, timeout. Oh, no, let's just do it. We wanted to move one card. We needed to move one card. And we're going to go with that because we need to... We need to do it that way. Oh, that's interesting. So there's a 5 here that could be played instead of this 5. That is real interesting. But, you know, I think we need this 5 out of the way, though, for this king right here. So we got 2 queens. We're going to see which one plays out better. That one does not lead to an open column. It's close, but not quite. And this one leads us to... Oh, that's interesting. More interesting. Oh, boy. I'm almost tempted to go with this one because it puts 2 aces up there. So this one gave us an 8. But the 8 could be played too if we find a 9. So let me look at this one more time here. There's the 9 we wanted. This gives us a 4 of diamonds, which is bad. I don't know which one's better yet, so I'm going to table that decision until later. Oh, that's even more interesting because we went to this. We could play the 8 as well. Choices. Let's play this ace of diamonds for now. We'll be able to play the 6 of hearts later on. And I'm like, yeah, we'll play this here. Oh, you know what? We could play this. Okay, I see a move. I think we're going to go with this queen right here. And the move I'm seeing is this. Queen goes here. 2 of hearts, 3 of hearts, 4 of hearts, 5 of hearts, 5 of diamonds. There's the red 9. And then we could open that there. So I think that'll be the move we're going to go with. Though, yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this goes here. I might have to adjust that a little bit. So we'll put the 9 of spades there. Okay. And we could still play the 6 of hearts. That's our insurance card. Oh, you know what? This 8 probably needs to go back. I'm thinking the 8 needs to go back. Yeah, it does. Let's go. Oh, no, we can't. Oh, boy, that's a conundrum here. I'm going to hold on the 8 here and see if there's another angle. So we play the 9. So the 6 of hearts is in play. We could play all of these cards if we wanted to. I feel like we just play one of them here. So we're just going to play the 6. We could still have the option on the 8. So the 3 of diamonds will be our new card that we have up there. But yeah, the red 8. We need to get a red 8 out because then we can play the 7 here. So I think the red 8 is going to be the critical card. There's the red 8. And there's the right spot to put it, of course. Okay, interesting, interesting. It gets more interesting. There is another 10 here. Of course there is. Why would there be? Let's see. 2 of diamonds could be in play. You're going to play out of the back of the draw pile. That's the goal here. Was there a red jack? There was no red jack. Oh, there is a red jack in the very front of the draw pile. So we can play this 10 under the red jack. I think the gambit is going to be to play all 3 of these cards at some point. Not yet, though. I think, yeah. Well, you know what? The some point is now. So let's go back. So we're going to gamble on this here. You play all 3 of them. I don't like... You want to be able to manage the draw pile as best you can. You couldn't quite do that. That 7 is a very good card for us. Because it gives us the 6. We have 2 moves here, so let's take move number 1. 2 of spades. We can open that up for a king. Is there a king here somewhere? There is. That's interesting. There are 2 jacks. I feel like this jack is a better play. Gonna see there is no king there though. You know what? Yeah, let's see where this jack leads us. There's a king. We'll move the queen. Now we can move the 7 here. Another king. Oh, good. A 9. That's real good. Because now we can move this other 8. That's very big. We found the ace of spades. I think we're going to get this solved. Yeah. Oh, there's the other. We refound it. Sorry. Because we went through there one time, did we not? Okay. So this king gets moved here. That king is open. Now we can play the queen, I think. There's a queen back here somewhere. Let's move this ace of clubs and 2 of clubs. Okay. Now we can move the 4 diamonds. Yeah. Wow, we're going to have it solved in just a minute here. Let me just try to play smart. Move the 8 of diamonds up there. There's the queen, jack. We'll put this up to the foundation pile. We just got to manage this draw pile smartly. And we'll have it. And, you know, one of the things I like to do to manage the draw pile is play out of the back of it. If you do that, typically your odds of solving this go up. So we're just going to move some stuff around, and I think that's it there. Oh, we do have the 9. No. It's telling us it's over, huh? That's not true. Okay. Let's go back to the whole sequence there. I'm going to try to figure out this draw pile thing. Okay, so we started right here. That was after we played a bunch of cards. I think we played all of them. We had to play that. Could we play it differently, I guess is the question. So we play the 3. We can't play the 10 or the 6. We need to... Yeah, I think we need a choice. We played the 8 there. We played the jack. Okay. Just trying to think through... It all happened so fast. We couldn't play the 9. That's the problem we're looking at here. So we played this sequence here. That worked. We got the 7 there, the king, 9, ace, and ace. So that gave us a lot of moves. We got to figure out, I guess, you know, are we playing clubs? Well, what I'm trying to say is you can play 2 of these cards to get to you can play red and black, so you can play diamonds and spades or hearts and spades, but you got to choose, you know, which 2 do you play. I'm trying to see what we played. We brought this 5 of clubs up. Oh, you know, I think we moved one more of these cards, did we not? So we played the queen there. We played the jack, and then that gave us the 2 of clubs. No, it didn't. Okay, let me try to think this through here, what we did. we could bring this 5 down, and that got us to the 3 of clubs. Was that 3 of clubs holding us up, though? So we had the 6 of diamonds. Basically, I'm looking to play, could we play 2 cards? Could we play diamond spades or diamonds clubs? I think that sequence is probably bad there. So let's go and put this back here. All right, so we've got spades. I think we're going to go spades and hearts, maybe. So 6 of hearts, 7 of hearts. But we need to have two diamonds. Well, let's see, hold on. We can do spades, 7 of spades, 8 of spades. Now we can go hearts. 8 of hearts, 9 of hearts. Now we can move the spade there. So what you got to do is you got to find two different colors and play those in sequence. So we did that. What that's going to allow us to do is it's going to allow us to play that one card that we had a problem with, namely the 9 of clubs that was holding us up there. Again, like I've said, you got to be able to manage the draw pile to have a good chance of solving here. And in this case, I think we're going to play all these cards. But you got to be smart how you do it. So, I mean, that's just, I guess it's a critical skill in being able to get this done there. And we almost missed out there. I think we're gonna figure this out here. We need to get the 3 of clubs up. So we're gonna bring all these cards down until we get these cards out and open that up, and then we'll have it solved here. So this is a little bit of thinking here, but yeah, I hopefully I'm making sense here with what I'm explaining. And yeah, it doesn't come up all the time, but now we got it there, and we get it solved. So that was a tough one, but I think that's a good game where you can learn a trick or two. You can see where I had to change strategy and stuff, and we're able to get number 2,400. So anyway, if you like this sort of thing, there's a playlist with more games just like today called Let's Play Solitaire. If you're looking for even more tips on how to get better, there's a playlist called Solitaire Tips. My favorite 2 have the red arrows pointing to them on the bottom of the screen. Those are my favorite 2 videos in there. I'd like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck.